All right, guys, couple of cool things going on today. We have some completions going on, some new projects. We have an exhaust coming up for the F8 Tributo. Absolutely beautiful vehicle here. This car, believe it or not, on slicks, ran a 9.9. Then we got downpipes, we got exhaust, and our boy Manny did the tune on it. Shout out to Manny Taryn. This is actually his car, beautiful. And he does some amazing tunes on diesel vehicles, guys. But of course, you know, his personal vehicle, I had to set it up and it looks great. Runs 9.9s. CLS 2022, just finished with full front end clear bra. Absolutely gorgeous interior. I'm gonna take a look at it. Wow, so does not get better than this. Absolutely gorgeous. LEDs everywhere. The stitching details on Mercedes have really come so far. I mean, my gosh, AMG packages on this, what else could you ask for? Absolutely beautiful display, goes all the way across, just like the G-Wagons. Beautiful, guys. Shooting some finishing shots of it. Got some really fun activities going on over here. So much more room for them. Bring them on, guys. More projects, more cars. Playing Forza in real life. Beautiful 458 Spider. This bad boy, as you guys saw in our other video, just got straight piped. Looking gorgeous. Man, just can't beat a black Ferrari. You guys haven't seen this one yet, but we will be dropping images on our social media. Stay tuned. Really custom project. I mean, when she said she wanted a Barbie Jeep, we took it to the next level. We got some other goodies coming for this one as well, and the ceramic coating going down on the pink wrap. Looks absolutely gorgeous. We have a front clip paint protection film going down on a brand spanking new 2022 Acura. Gonzalo is finishing up the front clip right now as we speak. And we got phone calls coming in.
AMG line, look how good that brown looks. So pretty. Brand new. Love that dash and the interior lighting all around the cabin. Just a gorgeous car. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel and let me know down in the comments what you want to see next, and I will see you in the next one.